MCQ 26 will shift the attention towards the chapter of hormones. So in this case here, we're trying to manipulate the biological conditions of blood glucose concentration. Three main hormones actually manipulate blood glucose concentration, starting off with insulin, glucagon, and to a small extent, adrenaline. So hormones themselves are potent chemical messenger and they are produced by ductless gland called the endocrine gland. So it's important that we only produce them when we need them, and therefore their production is strictly controlled by the right kind of stimulus. So writing out the stimulus for three of them, insulin is being controlled when there's a high blood glucose concentration. Glucagon is when there's a low blood glucose. And for adrenaline, it is produced under stressful situation. Now this question did not require us to talk about corrective mechanism, so let me just talk about the end goal effect, which is the negative feedback. So the negative feedback itself that insulin will try to achieve is to give us an opposite change towards the initial change. So if insulin production was initiated by high blood glucose level, the negative feedback will try to bring blood glucose level down back towards physiological level. Glucagon itself will bring blood glucose back up towards physiological level. Now, the interesting thing about adrenaline here is that it has a mimicry effect. It mimics the effect of glucagon. So it increases blood glucose level, but not back towards physiological level. It just spikes your blood glucose so that more glucose are available for your muscles for aerobic respiration in the preparation for fight or flight. So again, to make sure we understand, insulin and glucagon is to decrease and increase blood glucose level respectively back to physiological level, or we can say that is basal levels. So the question here is looking for an increment in blood glucose as an effect. So glucagon as well as adrenaline, it does give rise to the effect itself. So adrenaline acting with glucagon, that is fine. Insulin will bring blood glucose level down. Glucagon acting alone will also cause an increment in your blood glucose, although it just brings it back up towards the physiological level. Adrenaline again mimics the effect of glucagon and therefore can also increase the blood glucose level. So we're looking at the answer of 1, 3, 4, which aligns with option